my whole life has been a challenge to be better than what I was yesterday. My name is Anissa. I live with sickle cell disease, and I am a doctor in neuroscience. The first time I became aware of sickle cell disease, I was actually 7 or 8 years old. I was in school and we used to do these races, and what I did not understand is why I was always the last one, no matter how hard I was trying to run and how much I would train at home. And it's only years later that I understood that it was because I was not breathing like my classmates were breathing. I was not performing like them, and I would always be last. What I wanted was to prove to myself that I could be like my friends, and based on this I decided that I might be physically less strong than them, but I decided that nothing would stop my mind and nothing would prevent me from accomplishing what I wanted. So I think I learned very early that if I worked for things in a way that would not make me sick, then I would be able to do anything that I wanted to. I think it's actually school that kept me in a positive and healthy mood. So what helps me to cope with sickle cell disease is planning my day-to-day life in a way that I can reach my goals without being exhausted at the end of the day, by learning how to handle stress, both physically and emotionally. Just looking at the weather forecast, because staying warm will prevent a crisis. By always having a bottle of water with me, the kind of reward that my brain gets compared to someone for whom it's just normal to work and succeed, for me it was different. It's very rewarding when it works and you just get addicted to life and to all the healthy things in life. I really think that there is nothing that we cannot do. It may take us longer. This is where it starts, accepting that we have sickle cell disease, and by acknowledging this, then we can work on making things better for ourselves.
Sickle Cell Speaks is sponsored by Pfizer.